Welcome to Kids Zone. Let's sing, dance, and have fun every day. Hello, kids. Let's learn what the animals say. Are you ready? What does the cow say? Cat say? What does the monkey say? What does the cat say? What does the lion say? What does the tiger say? The peacock say? What does the dog say? What does the wolf say? What does the duck say? What does the chick say? What does the sheep say? What does the donkey say? What does the elephant say? What does the sparrow say? What does the parrot say? What does the crow say? What does the owl say? What does the frog say? What does the horse say? Clap for the animals. See you next time.